Greetings everyone. Here is how you can disable auto updates emails notification and block updates for plugins, WP Core, and themes using a free plugin. For that, log into your dashboard. We are already logged in. Here you can see, WordPress needs updates. And I go to plugins. There are lots of plugin updates. And I want to temporarily hide this all. And if I go to themes. So here are theme updates too. So let's hide them all. For that, go to plugins, add new. And search for ideas to code. You can search by plugin name too. Anyway, this is the plugin. Install now. And activate the plugin. So the plugin has been activated. Here it is. Go to settings. This will disable email notifications, so by default, it is turned on. So basically, you won't receive these kinds of emails. Though this does not affect any update processes. It only stops the email. Now this disables the core things, and we do not recommend doing this. Only do if you have to. If you turn this on, this will disable this one. And if you turn this on, this will disable all theme updates. And if you turn this on, this will hide this update button. Let's try it, and save changes. So you can see the button is hidden. No more theme updates. You can see it here too. And as well, the update from WordPress is also hidden. Now let's go to block plugin updates. This will list all the plugins installed on your site. If I go to plugins, now choose the plugins you want to hide updates for. And save changes. And if I refresh this, you can see this is hidden. And this is the old version. You will see auto updates disabled. You can choose all or some plugins to block updates, including this plugin. And if you refresh this, everything is disabled. Please note that it is highly recommended to keep everything updated for security reasons. By the way, you can easily revert back to updates by turning this off. Thank you very much.